What is good, my kings and queens? Welcome back to another channel. It's Jason in the building, and I'm out here in nature. Get into it in nature, get you some sunlight today. But today is a video on why you shouldn't be, using these toothpastes with fluoride in it. Number one, fluoride is very dangerous, a harmful chemical, and we brush our teeth with it. Yes, it strengthens cavities, but at the same time, the negatives about it, the cons, is it outweighs the good. You know what I'm saying? And I'm finna just give y'all the straightforward facts about it, and we gonna go from there. So grab y'all toothpaste bottles and look at the nutrition facts real quick. If you look at your nutrition facts, you'll see, and I wrote these down. First of all, like the dentist industry, they gotta keep it going. So that's why they put fluoride in your toothpaste, because that stuff is really breaking down your teeth. You know what I'm saying? It's a harmful chemical or whatever. So that chemical, that fluoride, you know what I'm saying, it can go through metal. So what you think it'll do to your teeth? You feel me? Our bones are very strong, but over time you keep, say you drink pop, you know what I'm saying? Eventually, it's going, like that first time you drink that can of pop, it's not going, the effect is going to be little to none, you know what I'm saying? And then, like, if you do that over the course of 50 years, what you think your teeth going to look like? Same thing with brushing your teeth with this fluoride. Get these natural, no fluoride toothpaste, you know what I'm saying? They're better for you, and fluoride is very harmful. All right, I'm going to give y'all some more facts. If you look at your nutrition facts on the toothpaste ingredients or whatever, you'll see it has sorbitol. Sorbitol causes dry mouth, dehydration, and lactic acidosis. You know what I'm saying? And that stuff is very harmful. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be dehydrated. How come fluoride dehydrates your mouth? You know what I'm saying? It can't be good for you if it's dehydrating you. You know what I'm saying? You'll also see that it has PEG 12. PEG 12 has ethylene oxide, and it causes breast cancer, brain cancer, and leukemia. Nothing good. So, switch to those non-fluoride natural toothpaste. You know what I'm saying? And it also has, you'll see where it says sodium lauryl sulfate. This causes the usulars in your mouth. You ever get those blisters in your mouth from brushing your teeth? I started brushing my teeth like 2 times a day. Then I started, having like that stuff in the, like by my, the back of my molars and stuff, you know what I'm saying, on my cheeks and stuff. That stuff's harmful. Your body isn't reacting to this stuff for no reason, you know what I'm saying? Stay away from these chemicals. Switch to what I'm finna start doing, salt water. Salt water, as you see right here. Salt water, it helps your tooth, if you're having toothaches or anything like that, and it removes bacteria. It's very strong, pro-efficient. Use warm salt water, and don't even use the water from like the faucet. You know what I'm saying? If you do use that water, boil it the night before, let it sit, pour some in a cup, fill it with salt. You know what I'm saying? Dip your toothbrush in it, brush. Now, doing that, it won't make your breath all minty and smell good, but like you protecting your teeth, you're helping your mouth, your oral, you know what I'm saying? And then use baking soda. So brush your teeth with baking soda and salt water. Baking soda, as you see right here, cleans the surface of your teeth, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna get those tough food stains out from drinking coffee, drinking pop, anything you eat that stains your teeth, you know what I'm saying, those harmful foods. Stay away from the harmful foods too. That's breaking down your teeth. You want to be able to smile and eat food when you're in your 80s, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to use dentures, you know what I'm saying? Keep your real teeth for as long as you can. Floss 3 times a day. That's a tip I've been on, because I had cavities or whatever, then I got my feelings. They stick a needle, numb your gums up, numb your cheek up, and then they get the drill in your teeth. That stuff's painful. I don't ever want to go through that again. So make sure y'all on y'all P's and Q's, take care of y'all teeth. You only get one set of teeth, then you gotta use dentures. Who wants to use dentures? You know what I'm saying? You sleeping, you gotta before you go to sleep, take your dentures out, put them in a cup of water. Who wanna do that? You know what I'm saying? Use your real teeth, show that beautiful smile, you know what I'm saying? You look more attractive when you have white teeth, you know what I'm saying? Take care of your teeth, you know what I'm saying? And baking soda is alkaline. So that means it's natural, it's pure, it's a good product. You feel me? So use baking soda, use warm salt water. With that, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Make sure y'all get that natural toothpaste, that fluoride free toothpaste, you know what I'm saying? And take your old toothpaste, the one with fluoride, and do this to it. I'm finna grab that because you know I love nature. But I love y'all too. Subscribe.